Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you 10 super duper quick hairstyles that anybody can easily do in the morning when they're in a rush and don't have time to do their hair. In this video I'm going to be using only hair ties and bobby pins, and I'll start off by saying that my hair is looking really messy in this video, and that's okay because it shows how these hairstyles actually work on a sleepy head like me. But yeah, so the first hairstyle is the half up big ponytail, which is super simple to do, and I just take the upper section of my hair and brush it with my fingers, leaving the section below loose, and then I tie it with an elastic band, and then I go on and carefully pull my hair to the front so that it looks kind of messier than what it already is. Then I take a bobby pin and divide my ponytail into two small sections, and I just secure the bottom half to my head so that the distinction between the loose hair and ponytail is harder to notice. The next one is the clean ponytail, which makes the entire look seem classy and sophisticated, even though we know you only spent 3 minutes doing it. I start by brushing my hair and slowly pushing it back with my fingers so that I remove any frizzy or fluffy bunch of hairs that can easily pop out. And then I secure it with an elastic band, making sure that I'm pushing my hair down towards the floor, keeping my ponytail as low as possible. The third hairstyle is the messy ponytail. For this one I do the opposite steps from the previous hairstyles as I push my hair up towards the ceiling, giving shape to a very high ponytail. I then continue to push my hair forward so that it doesn't look like it's been stretched by the ponytail, and by doing so I'm giving a messy look to the hairstyle. I'm also going to let a few bunch of my hairs loose in the front because that is a must for any messy look. The next one is the messy high bun, which you can easily do after creating the previous hairstyle. So I start off by taking my high ponytail and twist it on top of my head until I secure it with a hair tie. Since there are obviously a bunch of hairs left loose, I'm taking a bobby pin and secure them to my head. Next are the countryside braids, which as a country girl I absolutely love. I divide my hair into two sections, keeping it parted in the middle, and then I proceed to braid my hair on both sides. I also make sure that the first section that I'm going to braid is the one in the front so that it gives a nice overall look. As you can see, my hair is obviously not completely and perfectly straight, so I still have a few bits that pop out of the braid, but that's totally okay because I'm going to hide them into the braid itself later on. Then I carefully pull my braid to the sides so that I can make them a bit bigger and also messier from the bottom to the top. And as I said before, when it comes to remove a few annoying bunch of hairs, I just proceed to push and hide them into the braid itself. I decided to call the next hairstyle Medieval Side Flat Twists because it reminded me of a typical hairstyle that you would usually see in Braveheart or Game of Thrones kind of scenes. So again, for this one I just take a small section of my hair and twist it all the way from the front to the back. I secure it with a bobby pin and proceed to do the same for the other side, making sure that both of these sections are equally at the same height. But this is not the end, since I wanted to add a few more hairs to the look, so I take 2 more sections from both sides and secure them with another bobby pin to the previous twists. This messy low bun is my favorite hairstyle, and it is what I usually go for any day that I'm home, since it's very simple to create and it's also very pretty to look at. Just like for the other clean ponytail, I instead do a bun, keeping it as low as simple by pushing my hair down to the floor, and then I carefully pull my hair a bit out so that it makes the bun look messy but cool at the same time. For this hairstyle, I wanted to create a simple ponytail but still adding a bit more volume on top of my head, so by doing that, I go on and take a small section from the top and place it in front of me while I proceed to do a simple ponytail. I then take off the elastic band and brush the small section before pushing it back and secure it to my ponytail with a bobby pin, making sure that the hair doesn't stay flat, but instead it makes a little bump on top of my head. I then take a small section from the ponytail and twist it around the hair tie just to cover the elastic band and add in a few extra details to the look. For the next step, I'm gonna use a big hairpin and I'm just gonna place it underneath the ponytail just to lift it up, and it's also positioned where you can't really see it, so that's perfect. The simple and effective braid, because why not, when you're in a rush and you still want to look pretty without any effort, I think that a simple braid can do its job. Instead of braiding my hair straight from my head, I start by doing a ponytail and then dividing my hair into 3 sections, and I start braiding it. This allows me to look a bit cleaner, pretending that I spent a few good minutes on it. Obviously, I never forget to push the sides of the braid apart so that I can give a better shape to it. The last hairstyle is called the other side of the moon. I don't know why, but I had so much fun coming up with all of these names. This probably requires less than a minute to do, and it's also super simple. I just take one side of my hair and pin it to the back of my head, creating this quick and edgy look for an alternative day. So those were all of the hairstyles. Again, they were extremely simple and super quick to do, I know. I find this the best alternative for when I don't want to leave my house without doing my hair, but still don't have time to do an actual well done hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!